Introducing Intech, the first portable smart projector that projects in full 4K resolution. And yeah, it's portable, like put it in your bag and take it on the road portable. We're not just talking a projector. Intech is a full-on portable entertainment system, included with a stackable attachable speaker, Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi capability, and even built-in storage. That means you can play all your favorite shows and movies whenever and wherever you want, all in crystal clear 4K. Intech is small, portable, and super easy to set up. It's a fully modular system, stacks seamlessly and connects wirelessly, which means you can break it down in seconds and set it up just as fast. Use your phone or the included remote to browse your settings and apps, or connect a device via HDMI. The omnidirectional speakers provide stunning sound all around, no matter where you place it. And 3D projection gives you a unique portable 4K experience. Best of all, Intech Stand allows you to swivel it seamlessly in 360 degrees and stand it upright so you can watch your favorite shows on the ceiling. No more craning your neck in bed. Watch your shows fully relaxed or enjoy a beautiful night under the stars. Whatever you do, wherever you are, whenever the time, you'll have crystal clear entertainment right beside you. Intech, 4K just got portable.
Meet the Gulu G2000, the lightest, most powerful car jump starter that can start any 12-volt car up to 40 times. It can also jump start this and this. And did we mention these? While it's slim and lightweight enough to come along for the ride, don't let its size fool you. This is not your regular car jump starter. It's your all-weather companion, a helping hand when you need it most, and a portable battery that can charge all your devices at once at up to 4 times the speed. It'll even work if your car battery is totally flat. And don't worry about getting out of your car to get it going. It can charge from the cigarette lighter output instead, so it's always convenient wherever you are. Its unique smart cable makes it easier to use than the competition too, self-diagnosing the battery status and walking you through the process step by step to get your car up and running quickly. You know, that save the day kind of stuff. There's even a torch for emergencies, every kind of emergency. Once you're home, plug the G2000 in and it's good to go again in 4 hours. One charge will last up to 3 months, so it's ready to help out whenever you need it. Such attention to detail comes down to Gulu's experience in the industry. We sold one of our jump starters every second on Black Friday. You can check out our Amazon reviews to see why. We listen to what our users want in a flagship product, and after thousands of hours of research, the G2000 is the result. Don't wait until you need the G2000. Buy it now and secure your peace of mind today.
We love music, and we don't want anything to get in the way of how it sounds. But placing speakers on a surface leads to sound quality loss. Not anymore. Welcome to the future of wireless sound. Introducing Mars, the levitating portable Bluetooth speaker with high-fidelity sound, subwoofer, and 8 hours of battery life. Mars is equipped with an ultra-thin 1.75-inch high-frequency horn. By using a world-renowned audio compression solution, it retains the full integrity of original digital audio and is optimized for real-time zero-loss audio streaming. 360-degree hi-fi sound projection means there's no back of the speaker, and everyone gets the best spot in the room. The ultra-durable levitating speaker is made from aircraft-grade aluminum, waterproof up to 3 feet deep, and is also magnetic. In the office, Mars doubles as a speakerphone with its built-in high-sensitivity microphone. And the portable subwoofer has 2 USB ports for charging your phone during long conference calls. Mars can also adjust its volume based on your proximity to the device and can be controlled with your phone. We believe that our technology will forever change the way you listen to music. Mars, elevate your audio.
Active 5 enables over 100 full-body, no-impact isometric workouts in seated, standing, and advanced positions. To understand isometrics, let's first look at a classic bicep curl with repetitions. An isometric version of this bicep exercise would have you hold the weight still, with your bicep firing as you hold the weight during a resistance period. But weights aren't required with isometrics. You can have your own muscles create resistance. Here, one arm applies opposing pressure to the other, acting as resistance weight. This is one of the reasons why short isometric workouts are so effective. Half of your body is working out against the other half, doubling your effort. But you can't effectively train, understand your total weight lifted, or measure results using just your hands. That's where Active 5 comes in. Active 5 measures your force in pounds and tracks your performance gains using proprietary technology developed over 5 years with millions of dollars. Active 5 measures your applied pressure and sends it to the Active 5 mobile app via Bluetooth. Active 5 calibrates each exercise to your unique strength level and dynamically personalizes over 100 workouts to your ability. This is why Active 5 is perfect for any age and any fitness level. The Active 5 mobile app will coach you through each exercise. By adopting the correct pose and applying varying amounts of pressure on Active 5, you'll follow each coaching curve like a game. In fact, you can download many Active 5 games and enjoy the benefits of exercise while having fun. Active 5 workouts aren't only fun, they're easy to learn, and about 5 minutes in length, so you can stay active throughout the day and keep your metabolism burning. At home, on the go, or at the office. With over 100 workouts for every muscle group, you can choose from sitting, standing, or advanced yoga or Pilates positions. The Active 5 app tracks your results and improvement over time. Oh, and one more thing. It comes with one replaceable AAA battery that lasts 6 to 12 months, so there's no need for daily charging. Active 5 is portable, convenient, and easy to use, so you can exercise anywhere.
Now you can increase your fitness performance when you're on the road as if you were in the gym. Look at that, there you go. A little inner thigh burn?
Yeah.
Active 5 workouts are personalized to your individual strength level, and the Active 5 companion app tracks your progress. When you're on the road and the hotel doesn't have a gym, Active 5 lets you get in a high-effective isometrics workout like this one here. Active 5 isometrics are different. It's portable and it offers a lot of flexibility with standing, seated, and advanced exercises. The workouts are planned for you. You just follow the coaching app. Ladies, we all want toned underarms so we can go sleeveless with confidence. Guys, you'd love to be stronger, right? Well, this workout will tone and define your arms while building strength. In addition to working major muscle groups, a big benefit of isometric exercise is being able to incorporate all the minor muscle groups that don't typically get activated during a gym workout. This is the power of isometric exercise and the power of Active 5.